Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air suspension kits available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're towing heavy loads, hauling equipment, or just looking for a smoother ride, these products deliver performance and reliability. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the retrue rear airbag suspension kit for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks. Designed specifically for vehicles from 2019 to 2025, this kit delivers a robust load leveling capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, making it an excellent choice for towing and hauling. With pre-drilled mounting holes and a no-drill installation process, this suspension kit is user-friendly, and the included comprehensive instructions make setup a breeze. The build quality is impressive, featuring natural rubber and alloy steel materials that ensure durability and reliability. It also comes equipped with a metal heat shield, air fittings, tubing, and a valve for easy adjustment. The air pressure can be fine-tuned between 5 to 100 psi, allowing for optimal front-to-rear and side-to-side leveling. Weighing 24.9 pounds, this kit is moderately heavy, which indicates sturdy construction but might make installation slightly more challenging. With a stellar customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, this kit has received glowing reviews for its performance and reliability. It's particularly well-suited for drivers looking for a hassle-free, heavy-duty solution for their Silverado or Sierra trucks. While it excels in towing applications, it's not compatible with Silverado LD or Sierra Limited models, which could be a drawback for some buyers. Pros include high load capacity, durable build, and ease of installation. Cons include limited vehicle compatibility and a slightly higher price point. At number 3, we have another standout product from Retrue, the rear airbag suspension kit for Ford F-150 trucks. Designed for models between 2015 and 2025, this kit supports up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capacity, making it ideal for towing and heavy hauling. Its air pressure can be adjusted between 5 to 100 psi to deliver a smooth and balanced ride, whether you're towing a trailer or driving unloaded. The design of this kit prioritizes ease of installation with pre-drilled holes and labeled parts to simplify the process. The reinforced rubber and alloy steel construction ensure durability, while the comprehensive instructions make setup straightforward, even for first-time users. However, some vehicle configurations such as XLT, FX4, and Lariat trims may require minor manual adjustments to the mounting holes. Weighing 40.7 pounds, this is one of the heavier kits on the list, which speaks to its heavy-duty construction. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, the Retrue kit is a reliable option for Ford F-150 owners seeking to improve their vehicle's stability and ride comfort. Its compatibility issues with certain trims and features, like self-leveling headlights, might limit its appeal to specific buyers. Pros include its high load capacity, durable build quality, and effortless installation, while cons include limited compatibility and potential need for manual adjustments. At number 2, we have the Maxpeedingrods onboard air compressor system, a universal kit designed for trucks and vans. This system simplifies air spring pressure adjustments with a single-path setup that distributes air pressure equally to both springs. It features a durable onboard compressor capable of a maximum air pressure of 100 psi, which can inflate your air springs in just a few minutes. The analog gauge and push-button control allow for easy adjustments without leaving your cab. The build quality is solid for its category, with a compact and lightweight design, weighing just 4.63 pounds. The materials used are durable enough for moderate use, and the included air lines, fittings, and mounting hardware make installation straightforward. However, as it doesn't require an air tank, the kit is better suited for light to moderate applications rather than heavy-duty towing or hauling. With a customer rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, this kit has been praised for its convenience and ease of use. It's a great choice for drivers looking for an affordable, simple solution for adjusting air spring pressure on the go. Pros include its lightweight design, quick inflation capabilities, and user-friendly controls. while cons include limited suitability for heavy-duty applications and slightly lower durability compared to premium kits. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Airlift Loadlifter 5000 Airspring Kit, model 57275. This kit is specifically designed for 2001 to 2010 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 and 3500 trucks, offering up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capability. It features fully adjustable air springs to ensure your vehicle remains level and stable, even when towing or hauling heavy loads. The kit also includes all necessary mounting brackets, hardware, and a fully illustrated installation guide, making setup straightforward for most users. The design and build quality of the Airlift Loadlifter 5000 are exceptional, with materials like nylon and alloy steel ensuring durability and reliability. It's engineered to fit single rear wheel SRW and dual rear wheel DRW models, and it accommodates most side mount fifth wheel hitch applications. Weighing 19.03 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its category, which makes installation easier without sacrificing performance. With a stellar customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and a lifetime warranty, this kit is a great value for its price point of $313.80. It's ideal for drivers looking for a heavy-duty solution that combines durability, ease of installation, and long-term reliability. Pros include high load capacity, excellent build quality, and a satisfaction guarantee, while cons include limited compatibility with cab and chassis and quadristeer applications. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.